Hi everybody, here's a 5-minute practice for you. This one's for midday and it should be really easy and light. Remember to breathe and follow me. Let's go. Standing with your feet shoulder width apart and the weight right down here. Drop the head to one side and let the weight draw you down. And do that to the other side. Your head drops, the bell drops, breathe. And again, same thing, this time the chin a little lower, a little closer to your chest. Other side, dropping the bell, dropping your chin, dropping the ear. Good. Now move the weight back behind and we do the exact same thing, but this time the chin lifts up a little bit as the bell drops. Good, you're stretching the neck, so be very careful. But lift your chin if you can. And try again. A breath, a stretch. And to the other side, last time, lifting the chin, lifting the throat. Good. Keep the weight back behind you and bend your knees and lift the chin. And as you exhale, lift your weight into the waist, push forward. Good, let's do that again. A deep crouch. Pushing the legs straight and the hips forward, the chin tucked in. Third time, inhale, chest lift. Exhale, back bend. Here we go for side bends, and as you push your waist into the weight, press your feet down, and we'll just come in and out of that side bend, but this time extend the right arm, and do that just one more time. Just swing into the waist, into your weight. Push your toes down, and we'll lift the weight a little bit. Up you come, stretching out with the right arm reaching. Good, other side. Right on the crest of the hip, you push in. You come back to center and feel your feet pressing down. Reach with the opposite arm this time, breathe. Back to center and feel your feet. And this last time, let's stay there. Feel your way into it and then lift the weight up. Good, and change. Now the weight in front. And again, we go into our deep knee bend. But this time, as you straighten the legs, tuck your chin, lift your chest. Drop your shoulders back. Again, breathing in. Press the feet down into the floor. Lift the chest and drop the chin. Last time, pushing the weight into the hip crease. Rolling the weight down the thighs, heavy, dropping the arms. And lifting the weights all the way up above you now. Push the right hand up, pull the left hand down. There's your stretch. Good, try the other side. Pushing and pulling at the same time. Good, and try again, and now this time really breathe into the waist. It's a beautiful side bend. Try it one more time. Last side. Push with the left, pull with the right. And bringing the weights all the way down to the hips. Bending the knees. Inhale. And as you exhale, nice flat back, using your core. We'll go a little lower this time. Inhale. Half forward fold as you exhale, push the hips back. Tabletop. And again, inhale. This time a full forward fold. And the weight could be on its end, and you could even stack up your fists, or you can place your head all the way down. Stay for one breath. And we'll finish with a deep crouch, dropping the tail, hips down, dropping the weight, head down, one breath. Good. And we'll close here.